In today's video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you pay your mortgage off with a credit card without paying a fee? And this will be a very quick and simple video just to answer your question, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, most mortgage lenders won't actually allow you to pay your mortgage off with a credit card, as that implies that you don't have enough money in your bank account, and it could mean that you're struggling financially, which is not what a mortgage lender wants to see. So typically they don't allow payments from credit cards. Now, there are services we can use to pay our mortgage off with a credit card, such as this website called Plastic. However, as you can see here, they do have a 2.9% credit card fee, which means that you will be paying an extra 2.9% on your mortgage payments. So the quick answer to your question is no. There isn't many ways in which you can even pay a mortgage off with a credit card, and if you can pay it off, it's usually some sort of service like this, and they're not going to work for free, so they are going to charge you some sort of fee. So what that means is it's not currently possible to pay your mortgage off with a credit card without paying a fee. If you're going to want to use a credit card, you're going to have to pay the fees that are associated with it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.